Good morning all. I am Sneha. I am here to take a seminar on topic Brainbox AI. First of all, let us check what are the contents included in the seminar. Content: Introduction, Brainbox AI, how technology works, technology used, application, advantage, and conclusion. Introduction. Brainbox AI uses deep learning, cloud based computing algorithm, and a proprietary process to support a 24-hour self operating building that requires no human intervention and enables maximum energy efficiency. Pre commercialization tests have demonstrated that Brainbox AI enables a reduction in total energy cost of up to 25% in less than 3 months. With low to no capex needed from proprietary owners, it also improves occupant comfort by 60% and decreases the carbon footprint of a building by 20 to 40%. Next, why Brainbox AI? By 2060, the world population will be 10 billion. The number of buildings worldwide will be have doubled. It increases sea level 24 inches and average temperature. It undeniable the impact of climate change. So AI introduced the most advanced technology, Brainbox AI, focused on proactively changing the energy consumption. Brainbox AI. It's the most revolutionary technology gifted to humanity. It utilizes self adapting artificial intelligence technology which proactively optimizes the energy consumption of buildings, which are the largest climate changes contributors. Its AI engine supports a self operating building that requires no human intervention. It optimizes the control of heating, ventilation, and air condition with the use of deep learning and cloud based computing and automation to create maximum impact on energy consumption. By using Brainbox AI, commercial building can reduce the total energy cost by 25% and improves occupant comfort by 60%. And it connects directly to any building HVAC system and it transfers HVAC system from reactive to preemptive. Utilizes existing data from building system like BMS access control system and the third party resources like weather occupancy to drive decision making. Does not require the deployment of any sensors, autonomously drives a building HVAC system by directly writing back to the controller every 5 minutes, no human intervention needed. Decision based on advanced deep learning models generate the highest energy cost saving in the fastest amount of time. The SaaS based pricing model. Using technology to move from reactive to preemptive. The potential for more buildings to become smarter, greener, and more efficient in the foundation of Brainbox AI works. Brainbox AI uses deep learning, cloud based computing algorithm, and a proprietary process to support 24 hours operating building that requires no human intervention and enables maximum energy efficiency. Pre-commercialization tests have demonstrated that Brainbox AI enables 25 to 35% reduction in total energy cost in less than 3 months, with low to no capex needed from proprietary owners. It also improves occupant comfort by 60% and increases the carbon footprint of a building by 20 to 40%. This is accomplished when buildings move from being reactive to preemptively managing their HVAC system. What Brainbox AI? That's software as a service SaaS offering that generates positive cash flow. AI deep learning based building optimization system. Autonomous closed loop system that acts 24 hours in a year. And it improves energy efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. No upfront cost and built-in free trial period. How does the technology works? And the technology works in mainly four steps. And in Brainbox, AI produces remarkable energy saving by using AI to continuously make micro adjustments to your building existing HVAC system. It monitors a multitude of data points and then take decision about how to optimize the HVAC system in real time. This process of continual monitoring, assessment, and adjustment can only be achieved with advanced deep learning methodologies and understanding of our environment. Our AI engine and proprietary process move up from reactive to autonomous in 4 steps. And step 1 is installation. Brainbox AI connects in 2 to 3 hours. Minimal customer onboarding time require less than 10 hours of building staff time to get started. And in step 2, getting acquainted. Every built environment has its own unique set of habits and behaviors that can be expressed in a collection of energy equations. Once calculated, this equation do not change unless major renovations are carried out. While it is possible to perform this calculation manually, Brainbox AI does it in a fraction of time. To calculate this equation, we first spend less than 3 hours installing our HVAC system agnostic AI solution, no sensor deployment necessary. Once installed, the AI determines the specific operating behavior of each zone in a building. This process involves collecting hundreds of thousands of data points every 5 minutes, including outside temperature, fan speed, occupant density, and many more. After 6 to 8 weeks of a data collection, the Brainbox AI engine can accurately identify patterns in order to isolate each zone habits and behaviors. Based on these patterns, the energy engine aggregates the equation of each zone to create an overall building energy profile. And step 3 is optimizing flow. Working with the building energy profile, our solution combines this energy equation with the deep learning and time series data to calculate how each zone will react to changing conditions. Example like weather, heating, extra ons over time. More specifically, our deep learning neural networks can look into the future and predict the state of zone in a building in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 hours, or 6 hours with 99.6% of accuracy. In fact, even at 1000 hours, our AI engine is still making predictions and astonishing precision. And from these predictions, our AI engine determines the best way to manage the energy flow for every zone in your building by ensuring the greatest energy saving and occupant comfort. Using our 25 customized algorithm working in real time, the Brainbox AI engine then write back directly to the control of your existing HVAC system, instructing it on how to operate more intelligently and efficiently. The AI decision making process is based on the hundreds of thousands of data points that are continuously collected from existing building systems. That's examples are BMS and access control systems, and the third party sources like weather, occupancy, as well as this desired comfort level selected by the building owners of tenants. And the next step 4 is continuous improvement. As the AI engine collects more data, it becomes progressively better at understanding your building's unique trends and how it will react to specific changes. This helps you increasing energy efficiency and saving over time as you AI becomes smarter. And the Brainbox AI also continually amalgamates and analyzing all generating data to further optimize the operational efficiency and discover other unique insights. Part of these insights are used to empower a predictive maintenance module currently in development and that utilizes the precise nature of AI to provide building operators with highly accurate fault detection diagnostics long before equipment feature and fail. And communicating the impact of Brainbox AI to building owners in is another critical component. A cloud based dashboard informs building owners of Brainbox AI impact on financial, energy consumption, and occupant comfort at both the portfolio and building levels. This tool also provides insights on the algorithm that the AI is currently activating in the building and information about what the algorithms are doing. This ensures building owners remain informed of the AI decision making process and positive impacts. And here's the algorithm that uses in the Brainbox AI to continuously self-optimizes in the 24 hours of each day in each year. And here are four steps of in the algorithm: AI learn, AI predict, AI compare, and AI act. First of all, the AI Brainbox AI is doing the AI learn and learn the energy and predict the energy levels. And the algorithm will continue to request the prediction from AI model until satisfied with the outcome predicted and compare it with the standard list. And if it is acceptable, then go to algorithm act. Otherwise, it's not acceptable. It's again go to the prediction, and the prediction values again compare with the standard list, and then it's acceptable. It's go to the algorithm act. After act the algorithm, it again go to AI learn and again continue the process. What's the technology used in Brainbox AI? Mainly, there are three technology used in Brainbox AI: deep learning, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. It optimizes the control of heating, ventilation, air condition, and with the use of deep learning, cloud-based computing, and automation to create maximum impact on energy consumption. And deep learning. Deep learning is an artificial intelligence function that imitates the working of the human brain in processing data and creating patterns for use in decision making. A transformating tool currently used in several industries. It is just now being introduced in the real estate sector. It is progressive AI deployment and using proven and existing technologies. And now the current AVAC system is go to Brainbox AI. And progressive AI deployment, like in self-driving cars, it's using in computer vision, data, IoT, and artificial intelligence. Data are already available in nearly every building across North America. Large investments have been made to access the data, and existing controller data can be compiled complemented with the data obtained from IoT. AI is the most efficient way of generating the highest value for the data that exists in our building today. And now it's cloud computing. It's on demand availability of computer system resources, especially data stores, cloud storage, and computing power without direct active management by the user. The cloud based computing and algorithm to support a self sustaining commercial building autonomously and granularly. The optimizing existing HAVAC system is real time for maximum impact on energy consumption, carbon footprint, and building operation. Next is artificial intelligence. In the building environment, using artificial intelligence AI in an extremely effective way to maintain a balanced thermal equation. It can determine the thermal energy equation for a building in a fraction of time required by the individual. In fact, the real value of AI arises when it is used to predict how the flow of energy will evolve over time and if it anticipates an unwanted thermal event in the future. To make adjustment to the HVAC system to eliminate that event before it happens. In addition to determining which adjustments are best for ensuring equipment comfort, AI can also evaluate the optimal HVAC system configuration required to achieve greater energy efficiency, thereby saving money and making building greener by reducing the load on the power grid. And here the applications of Brainbox AI. Brainbox AI is impacting buildings around the world, making them smarter and greener. than ever before. Our zero capex solution empowers building owners and facilities managers to dramatically reduce their building energy spend and carbon emission, moving and them on step closer to net zero carbon goals. And its scalability and ease of implementation allow for both individual buildings and portfolio wide impact. Brainbox AI has a workforce of over 65 employees and supports real estate clients in numerous sectors, including office buildings, airports, hotels, multi residential, long term care facilities, grocery stores, and commercial retail. And what are the advantages of Brainbox AI? Up to 25 reduction in total energy cost and 20 to 40 decrease in carbon footprint, and it helps to 60 percentage of improvement in equipment comfort, and it will be easy to install and 2 to 3 hours it take to install. And the conclusion of Brainbox AI, that we can conclude that the Brainbox AI is at the forefront of a new era in building automation and a leader in the greening building transformation. Located in Montreal, Canada, Brainbox AI offers a technology that combines deep learning, cloud computing, and autonomous decision making support at 24 hours of self operating building. Brainbox AI solution enables the HVAC, heat, ventilation, air conditioning system in a building to operate autonomously in real time. Thank you all.